Hello, Somali language learners. Here are the sounds of the Somali language alphabet. We will start with the consonants and we will move to the vowels. And we will start with ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. As you can see, I have put some letters underneath some sounds in black marker. For example, the X. The sound of X in Somali is ha. The reason I put the ha is just for the non-Somali speakers. You can substitute the sound with ha sound. KH sound kha in Somali. Together, the two letters together will make one sound kha. You can say ka. DH together will make the sound da in Somali, da. You can just say da, da. C sounds a in Somali. You can say a instead. Q will sound qa in Somali. You can say ka or qua sound. Thank you, and next we will move to the vowels.